read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected parents, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today, our letter is lowercase letter R and the sound of R is R. In the class, we taught lowercase letter R, its sound, formation and vocabulary words. So, let's start. अच्छा यहाँ पर रैबिट एंड रॉकेट है. आप घर की दुनिया में क्या सिखा सकते हैं? पहले मैं वो बताना चाहूंगी, रिंग. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम सेकंड लाइन, कम स्ट्रेट डाउन एंड जंप. आप ये भी कह सकते हैं, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम सेकंड लाइन, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम रेड लाइन, कम स्ट्रेट डाउन एंड गो अप and turn. It will make small letter R. The letter name is R and the sound of R is R. R. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little little Ria wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. R, rocket. Rabbit. Ring. You could keep this ring on the table and speak it out again and again. Ring. Ring. Rat. R is for rat. Okay, the rabbit rides a rocket. The rabbit rides a rocket. Now tell me, who is riding the rocket? Ria? No. Rat? No. It's rabbit. Yes. What is the rabbit doing? The rabbit is riding rocket. Very good. Okay, it's very easier to teach to the students at home. I hope so. You enjoyed it a lot. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.